Okay, thank you for the opportunities. Uh, my name is Putu Jayasu, and I will deliver my presentation entitled "Heat Pump Drying for Turmeric Aperitivo." Let's start with turmeric, one of the medicinal plant that is frequently utilized as raw material in Indonesian herbal and pharmaceutical industries. Uh, The anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, blood clotting properties of turmeric help to reduce pain and hasten wound healing. One of the many active components found in turmeric is an antioxidant called cominoid. Um, Drying, uh, many methods of drying using for uh, drying turmeric using heating element, using hot gas flow, and of course, we can use heat pump as a new method. Heat pump becoming more popular in industry due to low energy consumption and high drying efficiency. Energy saving heat pump drying is based on a reverse Carnot cycle principle and can recover energy from the used drying air heat and reuse it in drying process, as well as the control temperature and humidity in air independently. This is our experimental setup, and in the left figure, you can see this is our heat pump drying machine, and right on the right hand, this is a schematic design. So in this heat pump drying, the air only circulate in in the system, so there is no hot air flows out of the drying chamber. That's the a benefit, one of the benefit of the heat pump system. Okay, let's continue with result and discussion. Uh, in the left figure, you can see the fresh turmeric in the tray of the drying chamber, and in this capacity of the drying chamber is 2100 grams, 2.1 kilograms, and on the right hand figure you can see the dry turmeric. This is the result of the drying using heat pump drying machine. Yeah, based on the uh, graphic on the left side here, drying 2100 grams of turmeric for 8 hours total residual weight of 498 grams, remaining the water content of about 7.5%. The data from time series graph show that the greater the amount of water evaporate, the longer the drying time. However, more research is required to optimize the drying time. And you see the slope of the graph appears steep before 4 hours. Before 4 hours, at a constant drying temperature about 40 centigrade. The maximum slope value obtained for the final weight is minus 353, and the percentage remaining water in the product is 20.4%. The maximum slope phenomenon occurs between the second and third hours. You can see in this second and third pass. Then it drops slightly in the third and the fourth hours. Then it drops slightly, and there is a decrease in slope for time greater than 4 hours. This phenomenon occurs because the water content is deep in the product, requiring more time and more energy to evaporate across the whole temperature. This also demonstrates that the rate of reduction of the product water vapor content optimally over a period 2 and 2 until 4 hours. Okay, we can conclude from this research to describe preliminary drying characteristic. An experimental investigation to the water content of the product dried by heat pump drying was carried out, and the heat pump is effective at decreasing the water content of the product by 7.53% after 8 hours, with the most effective drying phenomenon occurring in the second to the third hours, caused by the slope, indicating by the slope. That's my presentation. Thank you very much.